Whirlpool washing machine F21 code error resolution. My name is Pat. Just followed the instruction on this video. It's very simple. There's a few tools you may need to. The first one is the T20 screw bit or 932 hex bit, and also you need a drill, cordless drill, and long nose plier. Also, you need a vacuum cleaner and a 12-inch plier. That's all you need. Here are the items. You can see exactly what you need, so you can gather similar type of items before you start this project. It's very simple. It takes 10 minutes to clear F21 code error. Three screws underneath your washing machine, bottom of the washing machine, sorry. Remove 3 screws from there. After you remove, place your panel in a secure place. Visualize clearly inside that area any other issues what you may have before we start this project.
First you have to remove slowly after you place the rags, and once you place the rag you can release the cap of that filtration system.
Make sure you have enough rags to cover that area, because liquid is going to pour in everywhere once you lose the cap of the filter.
Counterclockwise, but you have to slow so that you can see the water is dripping. Don't remove it completely, it's going to be a disaster. So water goes everywhere in your laundry area. And then the water goes everywhere. If you don't do it right, it's going to be a mess. So make sure that you cover that area with the rags. So make sure you have to do it slowly until clear all the water from the container.
Once you release the water from the cap area, you can remove the filter from there and then find out what's inside there.
Remove everything, wash the filter before we install the filter back there. So make sure that you put the filter properly, hand tightening pretty good, otherwise it's going to be leak again from the cap. So
now you can see what are the items blocked, the filtration area. So that's the main reason you get the error code F21. Once you clean up the mess, clean the floor, and then there's no water around that area. Make sure that everything is dry before we plug the unit to the wall. Make sure there's no leaks from the filter area before we reinstall the panel.
thanks for watching.